5 things men do when they are truly in love with you. There are a great number of ways to propose your partner. Some men choose flamboyant methods to go about asking a simple question, while others like it to be simple and sweet. The men who arrange epic proposals set the bar too high. They give an impression that this is how a man's love should look like, or this is how a man is supposed to behave when he is in love. Such ideas are quite problematic because every man's way of expressing love to his partner is different. He may not write it in the sky, but he still loves you with all his heart. However, the most important thing comes before marriage. True love is seen and felt during good and bad times. After all that you've been through, if he truly is in love, these are the indicating signs that will keep surfacing from him forever after. 1. Showing respect. Respect is the foundation of any human relationship. If a man does not respect his woman, then he doesn't really love her. If he only sees her as an object of desire, then that isn't true love. When you genuinely love her, you will respect her as an individual. You will value her opinions, ideas, feelings, and treat her as an equal. This will not only make her feel good about herself, but it will also generate confidence in you as her partner. 2. Honesty. If a man really loves his woman, he'll be honest and upfront. He won't go around and play silly games of pretending to be the nice guy. He will be genuine in his behavior. He will stand by his values even if his woman tugs him in the opposite direction. He will not try to mislead his partner in order to gain something from her. If you think you're not honest in your relationship, it's time to rethink your decisions. 3. Remembering important things. Women generally complain that men forget birthdays and anniversaries. But when a man is truly in love with his woman, he will surely remember the little things about her, like the kind of coffee she likes or her favorite song. Little things like these can make any relationship stronger and intimate. If you do remember things about your partner, then it shows that you listen and care for them. 4. To become a better person. Love can really change people from the inside. It can inspire you to become a better person. When a man tries to change his ways for a woman, it means that he truly loves her and wants to make her proud of himself. He does not want to impress her with artificial behavior or achievements, rather he would like to better himself as a human being. This is the magic of love. It encourages change even in a beast. 5. Fight for your love. According to research, a man is likely to have 6 relationships before he finally decides to settle down. He probably didn't try hard to fight for these relationships. But when a man is truly in love, he will fight hard for his woman. He will do everything in his might to make the relationship work. Usually it's said that a woman does everything to save a relationship. However, a man in love will not let his lady walk away because there are chances that he may not find a love like that again.